you want to do is unloosen the rope, just like that. There's 2 pins. You want to loosen this pin, and then the main pin. Actually, first you want to open these flaps, and then you're going to want to grab your right hand, hold this under the pin, let it fall down. Oh, undo that. And then follow me to the back. Okay. Next step is to loosen the 2-inch ratchets. From here, you're gonna pop this loose, get it out of the track. This is preventing the track from sliding. Tarp system, hold this down. Hook onto these hooks. Holds that. Okay, now, it's as easy as, make sure that's not hooked. There you go. Okay. Push very gently. Closing. Okay, ready? So very gently, pull back. Make sure nothing's in the way of the truck. Push it out. Okay, once you're at this position, you want to loosen this and very gently line this up with the mount, just like that. Now you're going to grab your 2-inch ratchet, you're going to hook it on the base, you're going to hook your other end on the pole, just it. Good. Pull the slide, tighten it up, just like that. That's exactly. Now for your back door, you're just going to push, roll it down, like so, pull it out, and close accordingly. And then come to the front. Now you gotta tighten up the front. So now we look up. So one hand again, up, just like that. Grab the pin, close the master pin, drop your flaps, close the pin that let the tarp slide, just like that, and pull up said rope.